Okay guys, here we go. So we got it finally put together. This was a chore to get this mounted up to this. My gosh, I broke a tap and everything trying to get it on there. Anyway, so let's go ahead and see what we got now. We've got the fans hooked up and we got this bigger heat sink. Let's see what kind of amperage and whatnot we can pull now. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the fans and let's go ahead and see what she'll do. Okay, we got 18 amps this time. Let's go ahead and start the water. I'm gonna plug that in over here off camera. We're gonna let this cool for a little while and we'll see what kind of heat and whatnot we get, all right? Okay guys, so it feels like it is getting cold now. Like it feels pretty darn cold. The heat sink's not too hot. So let's bust out the thermal camera here. I put some tape down. Check the tape. It is approximately 43 degrees Celsius from what I can see, and the cooler plate is about 5 or 6 degrees Celsius. So yes, I think this might work. Now I'm going to let this run for a while and see how how hot this is going to get. We may end up having to do some regulation on the peltiers, so we may have to do some thermal control of it to keep it at a certain temperature. But at least it is working. Yes. Okay, so now to do the shirt, what we'll do is we're gonna sew on little patches. I've already started, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically take tubing here. I've got just some simple vinyl tubing, and we're gonna basically run it, sorry, I hit the camera. We're gonna basically weave it through the shirt. And so I'm gonna have to sew some little patches of cloth on. What I did was take another t-shirt that I've got here and basically kind of cannibalized it and cut it up.
Look at them standing! Many of them wearing yellow. They're running yellow's back!
So anyway, what we're gonna do is I'll end up sewing on the rest of these. There's gonna be some on the front and the back. We may need to add some more pieces, but let's get to sewing. All right, so the easiest way I've found to do this is to use a sewing hoop, and that way you can get to the back of it. So let's go ahead and get started sewing these little patches on. So I'm going to show you how I sewed one of them on. All right, now there's one side of it. Now, I'm not exactly the greatest seamstress in the universe, but I can get it done where we go. So let's go ahead and sew the other side. All right, and there they are. So I only have about 9 billion more of these to do. Woo! And now with the magic of time, we have done all of them. I didn't do the shoulder ones that are gonna hold it because I got this iron-on sticky stuff that I figured I would iron it on with. So anyway, we'll see if that holds up. So now, sorry, I keep hitting the camera and stuff. I'm gonna get some tubing and we're gonna see if I can run the tubing through it and if it will turn out okay. So we may need some extra holder pieces and we may need to heat up the tubing since it wants to curl. So let's see how we can do this here. Well, we have a mess here.
You have to check every bulb. Whoops, got a little knot here. Work on that.
All right, guys, so we got it put together so it actually looks pretty good underneath a normal t-shirt. So there we go. However, if you can see it, there it is. So there's the different tubings, how they weave through. It even If I can pull it up, it's even on the back. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. So there's the back of it. So basically it's going to come down to these two little tubes right here, which I have these cool little ends, if I can get them opened. These cool little hydraulic mating ends, ladies. So these go in like so, and then that hooks it on. These are basically a hydraulic fitting is what these are. These are 1/2 inch, so these are actually pretty big. I probably would get a smaller one. But in any case, I will go ahead and get this put together, and we'll get these fitted onto here, and then we need to do some crafting for the backpack, for the thing that's gonna hold the massive heat sink. So stay with me. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. I don't have all the fittings and everything to put it completely together, but I'm gonna at least test it out, see if it gets cold. So let's jump over to the bench and we'll see what happens. All right, so what I need to do is hook this up properly. So I've got a bowl of water so I can put some water into it. So I'm gonna take one of these tubes off, if I can get it off, okay. And then I'm gonna hook up one of the tubes of my shirt. So that's gonna be this one, all right? So then we're gonna take our pump, and this is gonna be the inlet, okay? And then this will be the outlet, which will then hook on to the other end of my shirt. Oh, sorry, I'm not showing this to you. So I hooked up the end of my shirt, look this up. So now I'm gonna submerge this and see if I can get it to actually start pumping through the shirt. So here we go. I'll see how much water it takes. It's probably gonna take a ton of water, but I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Okay, I think I got it. I had to suck on the end of the pipe.
Phrasing.
But I think I've got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and close loop it. So I've got the closed loop going. Oh my gosh, I can feel it.
Hey, phrasing.
So now let's go ahead and hook up the Peltiers, shall we? And see if it'll get cooler. All right guys, so I'm just sitting here waiting. I got this hooked up. I can actually feel it. That's kind of interesting. That's kind of wild. So the pump really does work. It's just when there was air in the lines, the air kind of caused problems. So now we're just gonna wait for it to get cold. It's getting colder. And I can feel it, the shirt's getting colder a little bit. I feel it is a little bit cooler. Let's take a look with the old FLIR camera. So, okay, so it looks like you can definitely see where the tubes are. So it does work. Now, I can't really measure it myself, but I can measure the tubes out here, and it's showing me that I'm right at about 18 degrees or so. So it is getting cold. Now, I don't know about my battery. My battery could be dying a little bit, so I don't know. But it definitely is working. Our heat sink's doing pretty good. So yeah, it is cooling off. So this is gonna be fun once we get it together. Ha ha!